Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on a Nissan Maxima 5th generation. This is from 1999 until 2003. What we're gonna show you today, how to remove the seats on that Maxima in case you need to shampoo good the carpet or replace something. We're gonna start by removing the rear seat. It's really simple, and that's where the fuel pump is located if you have any troubles. So right here, let me show you, let me get a good view. Right here, there is a thing that you need to pull. Pull, and the seat comes right off. Let me show you now. Okay, and now you just pull it out of there. Right there, and that's where the fuel pump is located, under this cover, right there. And that's what the thing that I was talking about. You pull this one on both sides, left and right, and you pull the seat up. Next, we're going to remove the driver's seat. In order to do that, you need to move the seat all the way to the front, and this plastic cap right there, you need to get a screwdriver, flat screwdriver, and pull on it a little bit to get it loose. It comes right off. And on this side, the same way, you need to pull it from the inside. Okay, and then on this side right here, and this cap comes off. So now we need to remove two bolts, this one and the one there with a 14mm socket, and then we have two more bolts on the front. Okay, now you need to move the seat all the way to the back, because there is two more bolts located on the front right here with a 14mm socket again, one there in the corner and one right here. And when you take those off, there is only one, depending, you can have one or two wires. In our case it's a power seat, so it has one wire for the motor and one for the belt right there. And the right seat is the same way, the same procedure as the left one. Thank you guys. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.